Hi, Nicole here with Creative Connors. Join me today for an overview of the Creative Connors automation system and see for yourself how easy it is to make it move. I'll show you how scenic automation doesn't have to be complicated, so sit back and let's dig in. The Creative Connors system can be broken into 5 categories. The Stagehand motion controller is required for every machine. It translates the command signal from Spikemark to make the machine move where and when you want. The machines. These are the muscle that makes your scenery move. The Showstopper. This consists of the Showstopper base and the Showstopper consolette. The computer. Our Spikemark software runs on any Windows PC with a full HD screen. Networking. Spikemark talks to all of the connected devices through standard Ethernet components available just about everywhere. Getting a machine running is pretty simple. Let's connect up a Showstopper 4 base, a Stagehand Pro, and a Spotline hoist. Connect power to the Stagehand. Connect the Stagehand to the Showstopper 4 base. Connect the Pro motor cable. Connect the signal cable. That's it. With these 4 connections, you can jog the machine in both directions. That's all it takes to get the motor moving using a Stagehand motion controller. Next, we want to get the motor moving with Spikemark software. Grab an Ethernet cable and a network switch and make the connections. Now that we're wired together, we can add the machine to Spikemark and connect to the Stagehand. It's only 3 steps to add the machine to Spikemark. Drag and drop the machine from the machine library. Set the IP address in Spikemark and on the Stagehand. Make sure they match. Click Connect, and you're ready. Let's jog the motor in Spikemark to confirm everything is working. Select the machine. Select the direction you want the machine to move. Grab the slider and jog the machine. Looks like we're good. Now that we're connected and we've tested motion, let's write a cue. Navigate to the cue workspace. In Spikemark 5, cues are displayed in a cue list. Stagehands are on the left. Let's add a new cue. Drag and drop the machine onto the cue. And set the position to, say, 36 inches. Cues can be run from the consolette or the Spikemark computer itself. It's as simple as loading the cue and then pressing the glow and go button. A quick safety tip here. The consolette supports hold to run functionality for an additional level of safety. Before we move forward, let's check out a great feature of Spikemark 5, the Stage Model Viewer. This is represented as 3 customizable viewports at the top of the screen. In this case, the spotlight is represented as a flying cube, and the graphic moves with the motion. you can adjust the dimensions of the machine in the stage model to fit your specific production. Now I'll write a new cue, returning the spotline to its down position. You'll notice that the movement reads like a sentence, explaining where the machine is coming from and where it's going. Spikemark includes many visual indicators. When a cue is loaded, it changes color to show what's going to move and where. When I run the cue, you can see the colors change and the stage model updates with the movement of the machine. Many productions have more than one motor. This is our revolver machine, made for edge driving turntables. Each machine has its own stagehand controller. We have a stagehand apprentice hooked up to the revolver right here. You'll see that we now have a turntable in the stage model viewer. This was created when the revolver was added to the show. Let's add a new cue then. Drag and drop both motors to the new cue. Give each one a different target position. You can see our spotline is referencing a name for the position. We call these spikes, which behave like virtual spike tape would. I want both machines in this cue to begin and end motion at the same time. I'll set the total time for the cue to say 6 seconds. Now we load and run the cue. You can see that both motors started and finished simultaneously. We've shown you how easy the Creative Controllers system is to use, adding pre-configured machines from the machine library in a click, to writing a multi-motor cue in minutes. Just because Spikemark is easy to use doesn't mean it can't handle large, complex shows. Spikemark can support more than 200 motors in a single show. With cue links, I/O devices, load sensing, addressable e-stop buttons, streaming position data, and so much more, Spikemark can handle just about anything. Creative Controllers combines robust, reliable machinery and controls with an intuitive software interface to create an industry-leading scenic automation solution. With Creative Controllers, you're ready to make it move. Don't forget to check out our other great videos and visit our website for more info. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.